Hello viewers, welcome to our channel English Tube. In this video, you will learn how to write speech on Children's Day in English. For more such videos, consider subscribing to our channel and hit that bell icon so that you never miss an update from our channel. For making it easier for the kids to learn and deliver, I have divided this speech into 10 different lines. Let's start learning. First line is Good morning everyone. Second line is Today we are here to celebrate Children's Day. Third line is This day is very special for all of us because it is a day just for us. Fourth line is We celebrate Children's Day every year on 14th November because it is the birthday of Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru. Fifth line is He loved children very much and always wanted to make them happy. Sixth line is We call him Chacha Nehru because he was like a loving uncle to all children. Seventh line is On this day, we remember that we are the future of the country. Eighth line is We should work hard, learn new things, and be kind to everyone around us. Ninth line is our teachers, parents, and elders are always there to guide us and help us grow. Last line is Happy Children's Day to all my friends and thank you all.